Pitchu is a palliative treatment for ailments of the head. A long piece of cloth, folded thickly and broader than the forehead, is fixed around the head just above the ear level. A hole nearly 1.5 inches wide is made in the front of the band. After preparatory procedures like an oil massage, the prescribed oil is applied on the head. A piece of cotton wad drenched in medicated oil is placed in the hole and allowed to remain there for some time. This process is repeated for a specific duration. Pitchu is considered effective for diseases of the cranial nerves arising from Vata disorder. Treating the eyes by applying medicated oil is known as Akshitarpana. The patient is made to lie on his or her back on the droni and a tank of flour paste is made around the eyes. Medicated ghee is then poured gently into the tank over the patient's closed eyes. After sufficient unction has been poured, the patient is made to open and close eyes intermittently for a period not exceeding 5 minutes. The duration is determined in accordance with the nature of the problem. After the completion of the treatment, the patient is not allowed to expose his or her eyes to strong light for some time. Pouring extracts of certain herbs in a small stream over the eyes is Netradhara. Normally, the funnel used for Netradhara is made for the purpose with leaves of jack tree. The Swarasam or herbal extract is made to fall in a stream over the eyes with the funnel. Karnapurana literally means filling the ears. The patient is made to lie on one side. The earlobes are gently massaged with oil as in Purva Karma. Lukewarm, purified, medicated oil is gently poured into one ear. After remaining in the same position for about 5 minutes, the patient is turned and the process is repeated in the other ear. Udvartana means to elevate or to promote. The name can be attributed either to the treatment's ability to improve the body condition or to the upward strokes used in massage here, unlike in other Ayurvedic treatments. The oil massage cures many kinds of nervous disorders, and the dry one is effective for treating obesity, rheumatoid arthritis, and various kapha disorders. Udvartana done in the 7 positions for a specific period considerably reduces excess fat accumulated in the body, mostly in the subcutaneous tissues. This therapy effectively reduces the fat collected around the abdomen and in the inner thighs of women due to nutritional disorders. Kadi is middle part of the body. In Kadivasti, a tank is made on the lower back of the patient with black gram paste. Medicated oil is poured into it and allowed to remain for some time. Then it is slowly removed. Kadivasti is a very effective treatment for lower backache. Urovasti is administered on the urus or the chest for treating pain in the sternum. Like in Kadivasti, a small tank of black gram paste is made on the chest. Oil is poured into it and allowed to remain there for some time. Lepana is the external application of medicated paste on the body where pain associated with inflammatory condition persists. The ingredients of the paste vary according to the nature of the ailment. Navarakiri, Kerala's unique contribution to Ayurveda, is a fermentation of the body with bolus of cooked rice. Shashtika or Navara is a particular kind of rice known for its nutritional value. The rice is first cooked with milk and herbal decoction made of kurumtoti. 4 boluses are made of the cooked rice and are tied up in linen bags. The fermentation begins with the patient sitting straight on the droni with legs stretched. The masseurs on either side perform the fermentation process in an identical manner. The movement of the hands during both fermentation and massage should always be downwards. The fermentation continues with the patient on his or her back on the droni. There is also another attendant who supplies new kiris which are kept ready in warm milk decoction. It is very important to keep the kiris at a constant temperature. The treatment is over once fermentation has been carried out in all the 7 standard positions. In some cases, one of the three supine positions may be avoided and the patient is made to lie face down. After the specified duration of treatment, the paste is wiped off with palm leaf scrapers. Suitable oil is applied all over the body before dusk. Podikiri is a therapy in which the body of the patient is fermented with linen bags containing a mixture of horse gram, black gram, gingerly seeds and other vital ingredients in powdered form. The fermentation is performed in the same way as in Navarakiri. The patient is seated on the droni with legs stretched when the fermentation begins. It is important that the kiri or linen bags should retain a constant temperature during the treatment. The seated position of the patient is followed by all other usual positions. Podikiri is effective for diseases arising from disruptive Vata and Pitta doshas. After fermentation, the patient's body may be wiped clean with a towel. Patram or ila means leaves of plants. Patra Sweda is a sudation treatment with herbal leaves. The procedure involves fermentation of the affected region using a fist-sized bundle of linen filled with finely chopped herbal leaves warmed in medicated oil. The poultice also contains sliced lime, cumin seeds and scraped coconut in addition to herbs. The whole body is fermented in the usual 7 standard positions. Dhara is the treatment in which medicated liquid is poured over